Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion sprints. To begin, clearly define your sprint goals and duration, perhaps for a 2-week period. Next, create a dedicated Notion database to house all your tasks. This central hub will help organize everything. Finally, assign each task to a team member, ensuring every item has a specific due date. This structured approach sets a strong foundation for your sprint. Now, let's set up your sprint board. Utilize Notion's board view to visually track task progress, making it easy to see where everything stands. Establish clear status properties such as to do, in progress, and done for each task. This provides a quick overview. Additionally, apply filters to your board, allowing you to focus solely on the tasks relevant to your current sprint, enhancing clarity and focus. Managing your tasks effectively is key. Make it a habit to regularly update task statuses as work progresses, perhaps at least once a day. Consider conducting brief daily stand-ups, lasting about 15 minutes, to review progress and address any potential blockers. Furthermore, leverage Notion's built-in comment feature for all task-related discussions, keeping communication centralized and easy to track for everyone involved. Finally, it's time to review and iterate. At the end of your sprint, hold a dedicated sprint review to showcase all the completed work to stakeholders. Following this, conduct a retrospective meeting, typically lasting about 1 hour, to identify what went well and what could be improved for future sprints. Remember to archive your completed sprints for valuable historical reference and continuous learning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.